I guess you're wondering why I'm standing in the doorway of this property right now on this video. I'm about to take you inside this property because it's another property we've recently added to our portfolio, and it generates a net profit every single month of just over £2,000 every single month. Now, this isn't to boast or anything like that at all. This is just what we do day to day, okay? But if you guys are looking to add high cash flowing property deals to your portfolio, I'm about to take you inside this property and walk you around this property, show you how we found this property, and you can find out a lot more about how you can find properties like this and add these high cash flowing properties to your portfolio. And there's nothing for you to buy. There's no opt-in, there's no sales funnel, there's no free event to go to, and a massive 1997 upsell at the end. It's just completely free content to give you guys all the tools and resources that you need if you're also looking for high cash flowing properties just like this. So let me take you inside this one and walk you around, and then I'll show you this property in a bit more detail. Does that sound fair? Okay, so now we're inside the property. We come straight into the hallway. As you can see, it's brand new. Everything is brand new. I'm just going to briefly show you inside all of the rooms so you can see. That's bedroom 1 in there. This is the lounge in here. Okay, we've got the kitchen here. As we go through the kitchen, there's 2 bedrooms at the end. So you've got 1 bedroom here on the back of the kitchen. Then you have another bedroom here to the back of the kitchen again. And I'll just take you just 1 lap around the house so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Under the stairs, you have a bathroom, WC. As we go up the stairs, guys, here we go. As we go up the stairs, as soon as you get up the stairs, there's a brand new bathroom suite here. Okay, across the hallway, another shower here, which is brand new. Everything is brand new that you can see. There's the 4th bedroom here upstairs, 5th bedroom here as we go across the hallway, and then we go out here to the last bedroom. So this is 6 bedrooms, this particular property. And at the back of the house upstairs, 6 bedrooms. This property, guys, I didn't have to buy the property. I didn't have to put a mortgage deposit down. I didn't have to put lots of money down or have good credit or anything like that. In fact, you won't believe this when I tell you guys, and everyone in the comments is gonna say the same old crap that this can't be done, or this isn't real, or this is fake. But at the end of the video, you'll understand how you can see how obviously real this is, because you will get the benefit from this, okay guys? You'll be able to do deals like this yourself.